Hey guys, welcome back to the Pinyin Drilling crash course. This video series is designed to help your ears get used to the sounds and tones of Chinese. At the same time, it will train your facial and mouth muscles pronounce words more accurately. Each video is short and easy to follow. Don't worry if you don't get it right at the first time. The key is to get familiar with the sounds. Just take your time. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Just a very quick heads up, this is a textbook that we're using for this series. And today we're going to practice the pinyin section from lesson 2. We're going to start from consonants and then some vowels. First consonant, D, like in desk. T, as in task. G, as in great. K, as in kick. F, as in for. Vowels or finals. First one, A. You probably noticed that my mouth is kind of wide when I'm pronouncing this sound. So let's do it one more time. A. This one, O. Just like when you're thinking about something, you're like, oh, I got it. That O. Next one, An. So the AN sound is slightly nasal. The key is the upper part of your tongue or the beginning part of your tongue is kind of like a tabbing above. One more time. An. Next one. This is a nasal sound. It is on. So imagine this is your tongue and the back part goes up to block the air. So you will have like a stronger nasal sound comparing to the previous one. All right, one more time. On. Also nasal. This one. Yao. So you'll see there's a trend or tendency of mouth from wide to narrow. So one more time. Yao. Or you can think about the very famous Chinese basketball player whose name is Yao Ming or Yao. It's exactly the same sound. Last one. Also, the trend of from wide to narrow. Yo. Now let's put the consonants and vowels together. We're going to read them in rows. De, do, dan, dong, te, to, tan, tong, ge, go, gan, gong, ke, ko, kan, kong, bei, ban, beng, biao, pei, pan, peng, piao, bei, ban, beng,丢,黑, han, heng, new. Let's practice with the tones. Ta, ta, ta. Men, men, men. Wo, wo, wo. Ni, 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 ni. Nan, 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 nan. Peng, 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 peng. Yo, 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 yo. Bu, 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 忙忙歌格葛个滴底底地喝和鹤咔卡飞肥匪肺 Here we have a simple sentence to practice. We all want coffee is 我们 we 都 all 要 want 咖啡 well coffee slow speed 我们都要咖啡 regular speed 我们都要咖啡 That is all for this video. I hope you started to feel a little bit more comfortable with those new pinyin sounds. Keep practicing. No matter how small the progress you're making, remember to be proud of yourself. See you in the next one. Take care.